South Africa is a country of incredible diversity, and one place you can truly experience this is in the beautiful city of Cape Town. Cape Town is nestled within the heart of South Africa, and it stands as a testament to the extraordinary diversity that defines this nation. The city is set against the backdrop of stunning landscapes and provides an immersive journey into the rich tapestry of South African culture and heritage. With the vibrant neighborhoods, iconic landmarks, and a fusion of traditions, Cape Town emerges as a captivating destination where the amalgamation of history, nature, and modernity creates a unique and unforgettable experience for those fortunate enough to explore its enchanting streets and breathtaking surroundings.
Welcome to Cape Town, one of the most beautiful cities in the world.
To get a view of the city, I'm going to purchase the sightseeing bus ticket. The ticket costs 200 rands online and 275 rands at the office. Camps Bay is a picturesque suburb located just a short drive away from the heart of Cape Town. What sets it apart are the pristine beaches that stretch along the coastline. Framed by the majestic 12 Apostle mountain range, the golden sand meets the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean, creating a paradise for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. The beaches of Camps Bay are not just your average coastal stripes. They are a haven of natural beauty. The soft powdery sands invite you to take leisurely strolls, build sandcastles, or simply bask in the warm South African sun. But what truly makes this area stand out is the unique backdrop of the 12 Apostles, which provides a dramatic contrast to the calmness of the sea. The sheer cliffs, rugged peaks, and lush vegetations are a sight to behold. As the day transitions into the evening, Camps Bay comes to life with a vibrant energy. The beachfront promenade is lined with a variety of restaurants and bars, where you can savour local cuisine and enjoy a sundowner while witnessing the breathtaking sunset over the ocean. The pastel-colored houses along the beach add a touch of Mediterranean charm to the setting, making it the perfect spot for a romantic dinner or a casual night out with friends. Camps Bay's beauty extends beyond the beach itself. The nearby Camps Bay Drive offers a panoramic view of the bay and the surrounding areas. It is a fantastic spot for scenic drive or a leisurely walk, allowing you to take in the full splendor of the landscape. next time you think of South Africa, remember that the allure of Cape Town goes far beyond its cityscape. The hidden gem of Camps Bay and its pristine beaches is a testament to the country's natural wonders, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking an unforgettable travel experience.